Fix a paper jam in your HP OfficeJet Pro 9010 or 9020 series printer when the printer stops feeding pages while printing and the printer control panel displays a paper jam error message. With the assistance of a flashlight, check common areas in the printer for jams. Open the front door and lift the cartridge access door. If possible and without forcing it, slide the carriage all the way to the right, then all the way to the left. Remove any paper or other obstructions found. Locate the paper path cover and lift the handle to remove it. Remove any paper or other obstructions found. Holding the paper path cover handle, slide the tabs on the sides of the cover down the guide ramps until the cover stops. Push down on the cover until it snaps to secure it into position. Lower the cartridge access door and close the front door. Pull out the output tray until it stops. Press and hold the two buttons on both sides of the tray and pull out to remove the tray from the printer. If your printer has two input trays, remove tray 1 and set it aside. Remove tray 2 and then set it aside. Shine a flashlight inside the printer and remove any paper or other obstructions found. To remove a jam in the rear access area on the OfficeJet 9020 series printer, lift the tab on the rear access door to open it. Remove any jams from the rear access area. Close the rear access door. If your printer has two trays, reinstall tray 1. Load paper into the input tray or tray 2 and adjust any guides so they rest on the edge of the paper. Push the stack into the tray until it stops. Reinstall the tray so the paper remains in position. Closing the tray too quickly can cause paper feed issues. Reinstall the output tray. Pull out the output tray. Try to print a document. If the error persists, continue to the next step. Dust and debris on the paper pick rollers can cause paper jams and paper feed issues. Clean the rollers to help resolve these issues. To clean the rollers, gather a lint-free cloth and distilled or bottled water. With the printer still on, go to the rear and disconnect the power cord and all other cables, and then unplug the power cord from the power source. You must disconnect the printer power cord from its power source to avoid injury or damaging the printer. Push in the output tray. Remove the input tray and set it aside. If installed, remove the second input tray and set it aside. With one hand holding the scanner lid, rotate the printer to access the bottom. Keep one hand on the scanner lid at all times to prevent damaging the printer. Locate the gray paper pick rollers, using a flashlight if necessary. Dampen a lint-free cloth with water and squeeze to remove any excess water. Clean the rollers with the lint-free cloth to remove any buildup or debris. Rotate each roller as you finish cleaning a section to clean the entire roller. While holding the scanner lid, lift and rotate the printer to its normal upright position. Reinstall the input tray. For printers with two trays, reinstall the second input tray. Open the front door and lift the cartridge access door. Locate the paper path cover and lift the handle to remove it. Clean the rollers with the lint-free cloth to remove any buildup or debris. Rotate each roller as you finish cleaning a section to clean the entire roller. Replace the paper path cover. Lower the cartridge access door and close the front door. From the rear of the printer, lift the tab on the rear access door to open it. Clean the rollers with the lint-free cloth to remove any buildup or debris. Rotate each roller as you finish cleaning a section to clean the entire roller. Let the rollers dry for 10 minutes. Close the rear access door. Reconnect the power cord to a wall outlet and the printer. The printer turns on automatically. Open the input tray. Load paper into the input tray and adjust any guides so they rest on the edge of the paper. Close the input tray and then pull out the output tray. Try to print a document again. If the issue continues, service the printer. Contact HP for service and warranty options.